Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2021 GS22 from Nautique. We optioned this with the color, the black hull on the bottom, and then this is actually a black metal flake. So sparkles real nice in the sun, and then the accent is just the white. GS22 is our most versatile boat. It's a great boat for skiing, wakeboarding, surfing, gives you a little bit of everything. You can see the NSS plates for the surfing. We got our surf pipe, and then the NCRS plate in the back to help with everything that you want to do. So let's go on board and take a look. Welcome to the interior. So we option this with the mocha and then some black accents. Looks really, really nice. GS22 has the nice seats in the back with a couple cup holders, so if you're hanging out, you got a nice place to sit. Like I mentioned, it's a very versatile boat. This does have the optional ski pylon, so that just pops up out of there. Gives you a nice ski. We got the nice sea deck that walks all the way through, so you don't have to step on any of your cushions. We've got a lean back here. We also have a seat that pops up, so you can sit back there. We got a couple spots right here. There's storage under there. We got the nice helm seat. We got the 12.4-inch link pan array. Nice big bow on the GS's. This one we did option with the Bimini. 7.7-inch JL drivers up here. Like I said, great versatile all-around boat. This boat's here in Rogers. Come on down, call us for an appointment or call us for a demo. And as always, click the like button and click to subscribe.